Hello everyone and welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix OkCupid profile not updating properly. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Another step is restart the app. Simply close the app completely and reopen it again, and it will refresh the connection. Again, another step is clearing the cache. Simply go to your phone settings and navigate to apps and search for OkCupid. Now select the app and go to its storage, and at the bottom left corner tap on clear cache. You need to also make sure that you have the latest version of OkCupid. But if the issue persists, contact to the support team of OkCupid. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.